This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act fast. First, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're signed out of other heavy apps. Once done, open Clipchamp and do a hard reload with Ctrl plus Shift plus R to bypass cache. If you see a spinner, disable all extensions or open an incognito window to test. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch to wired if possible. These steps eliminate common client-side blockers so you can move to deeper fixes confidently. Now you clear stored clutter. Remove cache, cookies, and local storage specifically for Clipchamp so stale files won't block assets. Next, verify your Microsoft account is signed in and has the correct subscription active because authentication failures can stop loading. Then try another browser or device on the same network to isolate the problem. If another device works, the issue is local. While you test, note any console errors. They'll point to resource or permission failures you'll fix next. Finish by addressing system-level causes. Update your GPU drivers and toggle hardware acceleration in the browser because video editors rely on GPU decoding. Flush DNS and reset the network stack, then review firewall or antivirus settings that may block Clipchamp resources. If issues persist, collect console logs and network traces, then contact support. One key troubleshooting tip. Check Clipchamp's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.